Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. Billionaires, I am back with another video for you guys. Bells is about to explode. Massive news from the Bells community, and this is what I mean when I say it's great that the project is so decentralized. There's no leader. There's nobody running the project, right? It's just community. It's just people that are taking time out of their own lives to push the project forward. Nobody is paying me to make videos about Bells. Nobody's paying y'all to tweet about Bells. Nobody's paying any of the developers, any of the people creating on Bells. Nobody's paying them. They're just doing it because they see the value. They know what we have with Bells here, right? It's raining outside, guys. The rain about to start, so my apologies for that. But they see the value. They know where Bells is headed, guys. And this is why I say Bells is such an undervalued project, but not for long. That is going to change. And even a small investment right now into Bells before it starts to explode could potentially get you six figures in the future, man. Maybe not a million, but six figures is a lot to start in this space, man. You get that big gain, that's a lot to start, and maybe in the next bull run you get seven figures if you hold long enough, right? Bells, the history of Bells will not go anywhere. The history of Bells is here to stay. What we see with how it was created, what it stands for, what the values of Bells, right? This is what crypto was founded on: decentralization, taking control of your own money, self-custody, taking away power from the banks. This is what I see with Bells, guys. Bells right now sitting at 25 cents, just at $15.3 million in market cap, 778k in 24-hour trade volume. Again, guys, I told you this before, I tell you this again. So right now at this price, this market cap, let's say 1540, $1,500 in Bells right now is 6,000 Bells, right? I think that's all you really need if you can't afford too much, because it's tough out here. This is why people are in crypto, to change their lives financially. Why? Because it's tough. It's tough for people to invest 10, 20, 30, 50, $100,000 in crypto. But if you have, if you're able to get your hands on $1,500, $1,540, and get your hands on 6,000 Bells right now, that's gonna be life changing. Why? Because guess what? Every time Bells gets to another 100 million in market cap, that's gonna be another $10,000 for you. So when Bells gets to 100 mil, that's gonna be 10,000. When it gets to 200 mil, that's gonna be 20,000. 300 mil, 30,000. A billion market cap, $100,000. 2 billion market cap, $200,000. 3 billion market cap, which is my target, anywhere from 1 to 5, because I saw it with Solana memes last year. You know how many Solana memes got to 2 billion, 3 billion market cap? So many Solana memes last year got to 2 billion market cap, and they don't have half the value that Bells has, right? They're just overhyped, pump and dumps, shilled by crypto Twitter. Bells has value. Bells, if it wasn't for Bells, there would be no Dogecoin. If Bells wasn't forked from Billy Marcus, we wouldn't see Dogecoin, the first meme coin. The first meme, if it wasn't for Dogecoin being the first meme coin, all of these meme coins like Shiba, PopCat, Whiff, Moodeng, that's going crazy right now, none of these meme coins would exist if it wasn't for Dogecoin and before that, Bells coin, right? So all the people that made millions off of meme coins, hundreds of thousands off of meme coins, those would not exist if it wasn't for Bells being forked to make Dogecoin, because Doge was the first meme, and that's when after Doge we got all the memes after that. So if it wasn't for Bells, none of the people that are rich or got a ton of money off meme coins would have that money right now. So respect, put some respect on Bells Coins' name, okay? Put some respect on it. And this is why I think 1 to 3 billion market cap for Bells is deserved. and will be earned as well because of the community, how decentralized it is, how much people are putting in their time and effort and not getting paid to do so, right? You can see on the 1 month chart, Bells is coiling up. Just had a big candle out of here from 22 cents all the way up to 27 cents on exchanges, right? Popped up to 27 cents. And you know why? Now that we're 5 minutes into the video, you see Bells is climbing up. Let me show you why, guys. Look at this. From Binance, the official Binance account, 14 million followers. The official Binance account, right? Every project dreams of getting onto Binance, because when you're on Binance, getting to billions of market cap with all the whales that are on Binance is not difficult. I saw it with projects. One of the projects I did well on was Turbo. When Turbo got that Binance listing, it exploded, right? Here we go. Join us for a Binance Live AMA with Bells Chain, one of the earliest script-based meme coins. Bells Coin is now merged mined alongside Litecoin and Dogecoin via the Binance mining pool, bringing together 3 proof-of-work networks in one ecosystem. The merge mining trifecta, proof of work, in my opinion, needs to make a comeback, man. I'm tired of all the pump and dump, no value projects that's not going to be here in the future cycles. We know Litecoin is going to be here in the next cycle. We know Dogecoin is going to be here in the next cycle. And in my opinion, Bells will be here in the next cycle as well, right? Because if it wasn't for Bells, there would be no Doge. It's script mined. The higher Bells price goes, the miners are going to eat. The hash rate is going to increase. And so does the price. And guess what? If they're not making enough on Litecoin and Dogecoin mining, you know what? Let me merge mine with Bells real quick, you know? And that decentralization, proof of work, that, you know, using the GPUs and all of those technical setups to add security to a network and keep a network functioning is what crypto was founded on. That's what Bitcoin is, right? Even to this day, there's tons of mining facilities for Bitcoin, and those numbers just keep increasing. That's what, you know, crypto was truly founded on. And that's why Bells, in my opinion, will be here multiple cycles, not just one, not just two. It will be here as long as Litecoin and Dogecoin exist. And I think proof of work will never go anywhere into the future, in my opinion, right? As long as Bitcoin is proof of work will not go anywhere, right? So here we have it. It's going to be 2 days from now, May 16th, Binance Square Audio Live, future of Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Bells Coin. We got Luke Wright, developer. Oh, so Luke Wright develops for Litecoin and Bells. Adam McBride, an enthusiast for Bells Coin. Yar Sawyer, developer in Bells Coin as well, and a Nintendo wallet or a Nintendo, you know, company. Yusuf Ahmadi, contributor of Bells Coin, and Jordan, a developer of Dogecoin. Wow, a developer of Dogecoin will also be. And this is what I'm saying, man. This right here is massive news. That's probably why the price is spiking up. This is why you just hold and keep accumulating, right? A Dogecoin developer is about to be a part of this AMA, man. And imagine what could happen in the future where, you know, people in the Dogecoin community find out about Bells as time progresses. And Bells just gets, you know, 5%, 3% of the Dogecoin market share. You know, that's gonna put it at a nice market cap. That would potentially get it to billions if Dogecoin goes back to its all-time high, which it will, $1, $2 in the future. And Bells just get a percent of that market cap. A $1 or $2 Dogecoin is about 100 to 200 billion market cap. So that puts Bells at 1 to 2 billion market cap, at just, you know, 1 to 3% of Dogecoin's market cap. This is so massive, guys, and it's just the start and the sign of what's to come for Bells in the future. So, guys, that's pretty much it for the, you know, update. Amazing update. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Share the videos out with the rest of the Bells community. Share the video, spread the word. Let's make these videos go viral, get more people interested in Bells. One of the videos pops up on their recommended videos after they check out other crypto related videos, and then boom, you get new people into the community just like that, right? As always, thank y'all so much for tuning in. None of this is financial advice, and to support the channel further, feel free to donate to the Bells wallet in the description. It really helps me out, and I'll catch you in the next one.